Hi, welcome to the ASP.NET MVC and Entity Framework Learning by Example project. Project is GNVS Shop. Today in this video, I would like to show you how to work on the hosting the website on IIS server, and after that, create the layout for the website. Basically, this video is a recover video. So when moving the YouTube to new YouTube channel, I will lost some video. So that's why in this video today I would like to do the recovery for this. So day number 3 and number 4 of this series will lost. Okay, and now in this video I would like to guide you how to host the website. Instead of running it over the Visual Studio, I will run it over the IIS server. Okay, let's do it. And this one is my shortcode for now. And I will open the Internet Information Services Manager here, and I go ahead to create new site. I will name it the shop.local. Okay, you can enter any name for the website. Host name, I will copy it here, and the physical path, I will copy the path of my shortcode on this PC. Click on the OK button to start the website. Okay, cool. And after that, I have to open the host file in the window under System32. Driver etc hot. Open it in the Notepad++. Okay, here. And after that, I will enter the IP address, and I will enter the name for it, shop.local here. Okay, and after that, save it. Cool. And now here I will copy this one first, and I will come back to the Visual Studio here. And this one is a default.html file, is a layout of the website we have done in the day number 2. Okay, and now before we do the hosting the website under the IIS server, I will run it over the Visual Studio here. Yeah, so it will running on the localhost here with the port name and default.html page. Cool. And for now, this one is only the static page in the HTML. And I will close this one and open the browser. I try to access the page is shop.local. I will stop it one. I will open it here. I have default.html. I'll copy it as well. Paste it here. Okay, enter. Cool. And you can see here when we are accessing the website over the IIS name here and default.html page, it looks the same thing when we run it over the Visual Studio. Okay, cool. Here. So now we have done the hosting the website on the IIS server. And now we go to the next step by creating the layout for the website. Okay. I will open the Visual Studio here. This one is the HTML. Okay. And actually this one is a solution. I have the full shortcode of this series because I already done it. So now here I will guide you how to create the layout for the website. Okay, so here you can see we have a view folder. I will go ahead to create a folder. Underneath the view is a layout. Just go ahead to right click on the view and add the new folder. And after that you change it to layout. Okay, So under the layout, I will right click on this one and I click add view. I left it by default. You can enter the name here. Here I will enter it is the main layout. Okay, so because I already have the underscore main layout dot cs html file here, so here now I will go ahead to create the main only. Add new. Cool. Okay, and now here I will open the main layout for the reference. Okay. Firstly, I will open the default and just go ahead to copy all of the content here. Copy and paste it here. Oh, cool. Okay, so now here I will open the application app. We have some CS file here. It is bundle config. Okay, filter config, identify config, and I will go ahead to comment the code of the identify config here because I don't want to use it. And router config here. So under the router config, I have the register routes. We have the default page controller. It should be the home and the action index. Okay, and I will guide you how to create the controller and the view later. Cool. And so now here, the assumption that we have at the home. Actually, I have a home folder here, and the action in the controller we have action of home is the index. Okay, I will guide you how to do it later. I will close this one. Okay, so now here, close this bundle. The bundle here we contain the configuration for the GS and also the CS have file here. Okay, close this. So here now I will guide you how to create the controller. Okay, just go ahead to click on the controller folder here and add new controller. You select the empty, or you can go ahead to select the MVC file controller with read and write action. Okay, cool. I will do it. Try to do it. No. I will name it test. Okay, cool. And after that, it will go ahead to create a folder for me test under the view. Okay, you see here. And here, by default, when you created the controller, so it will add the action result index, and that means index is the default action for the view. Okay. So here, if you want to create a view for this index, just go ahead to click on the index name and right click on it and click on add view. Enter. Here, you can see here under the test folder of the view, we have the index.cs HTML file has been created here. Okay, cool. So here, after we created the controller and view, we can go ahead to update the root config here. The controller name here. If you want to set the test controller by default here, you can just go ahead to enter the test instead of home here. The action by default is index. Okay, cool. Hope this is helpful for you. Close this one, and I will also close this one too. Okay. Okay, so home here. I will go ahead to change. Okay, so now I will open the browser here. I will copy this one. enter it here. So by default here, this one is using the main layout. The main layout here to run it as the default layout for the website, and it is also running the home and action index to call this one. I can test it for you. I will open the home. I will here and update the text here, home index, and I go to the website, refresh this one. Yes, then the label has been changed to home index. Okay, cool. So now here, instead of using main layout, okay, so we can use the layout by, for example, so now you want to create the another view here. So when create the view here, we have an option. You layout page. You select this one and just go ahead to select the layout you want to be using for display is on the website. Under the view, go to the layout folder and select any layout you have. Okay, cool. So now if I want to select the main, it should be the main. Copy this one, add here. Cool, main. Okay. So now here I will close this one, and for this I will comment it. Okay, comment it. I will clone this one to a new by using the main, instead of main layout. This one is just for testing only. Okay, so now here the main layout it contains the full HTML from the default HTML page, and try to refresh the website and see what happened. Okay, so here we will get the error because we don't have the render body. This one is required in the main layout, in the layout when we do the rendering. Okay, here back to the main layout here. In the main body, main content, we have render body. I have to copy this one here to the main. It should be the main content. Top here. Yeah. Okay, so you can see here we have the layout. The website is using the main layout instead of the O1. Okay, cool. Okay, so now here, let's see what we have. Okay, so actually the content here is the main layout. It should be the data when we click on the product hyperlink here. So we have the first one is the navigation. When we click on the home, it will direct the user to the home page. Here it looks like this one. And when click on the news, it will open the new listing on the of the system. The same thing when clicking on the product, it should be open the product page with the list of the product of the website. So here the layout here, I think I should remove the image and price here because this should it belong to the product. Okay, I will back to this one. Just go ahead to delete the content here. Okay, main content. Refresh the website. Oh, one more. Okay, cool. So now here, back to the Visual Studio, and here we have some the navigation. For now the link is still static and open to the main layout. Here we have the action. When the user click on the home, it should be called the home controller, and the action is the index by default. The same thing when clicking on the news or the product, it should be open the corresponding controller and the action as well. Okay, so now I think my explanation for this one for the layout it should be clear for you now. And now I will just go ahead to copy something here. We have we have some. I will try to explain the main layout here for you. Okay, we have the header section, which contains the metadata tag and the link to the style sheet, and also the link to the ZS file. Okay, it is under content and script folder. Script folder here and the content folder here. Okay, so here go to the body. We have the title of shopping online get reward. We have the deep top menus. We have that is the navigation. We should make it dynamically linking to another the controller. Okay, it add HTML dot action link. Okay, can remove this one just for the command. Okay, okay, and go to the left menu. We have the go to the. Okay, so I will explain it in another video later for you for the left menu here. Okay, breadcrumb render body. This is the backbone of the of the main layout. If you don't have the render body method here, so we cannot run the main layout or use for the website. Okay, go to the footer. We have the copyright information. So here we are going to get the dynamic ears of the ears for now, and there are some the information of me, of myself, the email, the Facebook. Okay, blah blah here. Okay, so now I just go ahead to copy this one, and okay, so in here, so you have to go ahead to create something here like the action link. It should be the controller home product home controller contact us controller manage color controller news management controller card controller order controller. So if you don't have if you don't create the you don't create the controller in your project, so just go ahead to leave it by default is the HTML here. Otherwise you cannot run it. You cannot run, I mean you cannot use the main layout to run in the website because we have some the controller is not found, and when you build the website we cannot build it. Okay, so here I can use this one for now because this video is only the recover video from my losing video of when I moving to the new from the old channel to the new YouTube channel. That's why when if I copy this one for now to the main, I can use it, but you cannot build it. Yeah, it still work fine. Here we have product. Because for now I already have the product controller implement in here already. So now when click to the product, it will open the display the list of product here. Okay, you can do it later. Okay, cool. So now I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to do the hosting your website under the Internet Information Services service on the Windows PC. So instead of running your website over the Visual Studio, I think it's still good. But when you do the hosting it under the IIS server, so it should be fine for you and very easy for you when you do the develop, because when you are using the Visual Studio to run the website, so you if you stop the Visual Studio, you cannot see the website anymore. Okay, okay, here, close this one. And after that, you know how to create the controller and the view for the website. And in the next video, I will recover the day number 4. So I hope this recovery video will helpful for you, and feel free to let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.